Hi there, my name is Aaron Lanchman. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at Georgia Tech, and I'm about to try something completely ridiculous, which is get the O3DE game engine running on Ubuntu for ARM, running in parallels on my M1 Mac laptop. Why am I doing this? Because this is my idea of a fun Friday night. So this probably isn't going to work, but I'm going to go ahead and download this package. The reason it's probably not going to work is that it's probably been compiled for x86, and this is an ARM version of Ubuntu. Okay, here's my .deb file. In Ubuntu, can I just double-click on this and have it magically install? Ah, here we go. Yeah, let's install. It's unsafe. Let's install it anyway. That did not put anything in my op directory the way it was supposed to. So let's go to my downloads directory. Let's see, where's the downloads directory? There we go. Okay, let's run this from the command line. Sudo apt install. Yeah, it's this guy right here. Oh, my cutting and pasting still is not working. That is making me sad. Oh, there we go. You have to use Control-Shift. Okay. Oh, apparently I needed to use sudo-I. All right. Wait a minute. Why does it complain that it's unable to locate it? It's right here. Look, right there. Oh, wait a minute. Is that a directory? Do I have a directory inside a directory? No, it's not a directory. So why does this not want to install? Wait a minute. Does it somehow want the entire path? Okay, let's say downloads, unsupported file. Oh, I wonder if it's complaining about the architecture being wrong. If this is an x86 thing and this wants an ARM thing. Yeah. Okay, let's try compiling from source. Okay, first let's get rid of that. Okay, according to the docs, it's going to want this truckload of packages. So let's run that giant install line. Unable to locate. Oh, there's a spot in here where there's some sort of glitch. Let's see. Ah, right here. Okay, there we go. Yes. Okay, it looks like that all installed okay. And I think I already have CMake. All right. Okay, it says that the Ninja build system is optional, but let's go ahead and get it. Okie dokie. Okay, let's make sure we have the large file support installed for Git. Okay, let's try cloning the repo. The thing is, when I do the Control-Shift-C in the web browser to copy, it wants to pull up all this developer tool stuff. Okay, Control-Shift-Paste. Here we go. Okay, let's make an O3DE-packages directory. Go into the O3DE directory. Now we need to do this python/git_python.sh. Whoops. Okay, let's do it right. Okay, it says failed to install the packages, check the log above. But the log above is only complaining about hashes, and maybe our ARM hashes don't match the x86 hashes, and that's what it's complaining about. Let's keep going. Okay, here's the first CMake line we need to run to set stuff up. Oh, let's see. It's complaining about hashes not matching again. Let's just try running that again and seeing what happens. It's still complaining. Okay, here's a question. Can I just take out all of these -- hash lines? Okay, let's try find with a regular expression. Oh wait, I think I have to click this little guy for the regular expression to work. Ah, there we go. Okay. Now we can replace. I'm going to go through all of these one at a time. just in case there's a Python library that actually has the name SHA-256 somewhere in it. Oh, maybe I don't want this continuation slash here. Yeah, now it's complaining about something new. So let's see. It looks like I need to get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. Down, 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 down. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Probably get rid of this. Get rid of this. 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 And that. Okay, now will you be happy? Come on, be happy. And look at that, it didn't complain. So let's try that CMake line again. Fingers crossed. Okay, it says packaging is not supported for this platform/configuration, but it didn't give me any errors. So I guess let's try building the editor. Oh no! Okay, it fails when it says it's scanning for CXX dependencies. Here's another complaint, something related to CXX dependencies. clang-scan-deps -not found. Huh. Copying as core runtime dependencies to output. Okay, let's see if clang-scan-deps is installed. No. Let's try installing clang tools. Oh wait, does it want that -i thing? Let's try the -i thing. There we go. Okay, now... Oh, I still get a command not found. Okay, what about clang tools extra? Okay, that's not a thing. Oh, in user bin, I have clang-scan-deps -18. So let's see if I do clang-scan-deps -18. So that is there. Why doesn't it know to look for it? I don't know if this is going to help, but I created a symbolic link for clang-scan-deps to link to clang-scan-deps -18 using this line. Okay, let's try running this line again. Why can't it find this? Okay, I'm going to hack the cmakelist.txt file and put this set cmake cxx scan for modules variable to 0 to avoid it looking for that program it can't find, even though I clearly see the program is there. Okay, I cleared out the build directory, and I'm going to start this initial first cmake line again. Okay, let us once again try building the editor. Oh, I think it's gotten further than it has before. I'm going to let it cook. We're getting a warning about invalid signal slot connection, button box P4 settings dialog. But it's just a warning, it's not an error. Okay, we have libsimp, okay, that's oddly named, .a, error adding symbols, file in wrong format. Error, linker command failed with exit code 1. Okay, now we hit a real roadblock. This is an ARM operating system, and I believe it's really trying to compile these things for x86. And fixing that's going to be beyond anything that I can do. But maybe somebody will find this interesting.